Welcome back again, my beautiful fashion lovers. Thank you for always tuning into my channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And to my new subscribers, you're highly welcome to the family, okay? God bless you all. So today we'll be making this beautiful ball gown, this net ball gown. And we're using this net roll to do this style, okay? I will start by holding the edge of this net. Then I will now measure the length I want to use for the skirt. Okay, what we're making is ball skirt. Sorry, we're making ball skirt. So after folding the tip, then I go ahead to measure the length of the skirt, the length I want to use for the skirt, depending on what you want to use. So go ahead to measure the length you want to work with. After that, you now cut out the length. So you're going to call this like 10 or 8. You understand? So you're going to cut it out this way like 10 or 8. So this is the length I'm working with. You're going to go ahead to cut it this way like 10 or 8 or more than that, depending on how full you want the ball skirt to be. Okay, so this is how you're going to cut it out, and this is how you're going to cut it like 10 or 8 or more, depending on how full you want the skirt to be. So that's how you're going to cut it. Then you go ahead to join all the 8 pieces or all the 10 pieces that you cut out. Join it to make a long strap, like to make a very long strap. Okay, that long strap you're going to use it to make it gathers. All right, so after that, this is what you have here. This is it after joining it. This is what we have after joining all. This is what we have. You're going to use it to create a long strap, a long length of it. Okay, that is what you're going to do. Then you go ahead to make a gathers on it. Go ahead to stitch to make a gathers on it. Right, so I've done that, and just for me to draw it to make a ruffle gathers on it. Okay, this is very simple tutorial without me even voice recording. When watching the video, you understand what is going on there. So go ahead to make a gathers this way. You're going to make these gathers till you get to the end of that length. Okay, so this is what we have after making all the gathers. This is what we have here. So this is the outcome of every gathers we've done, and this is how you're going to do it. So now you're going to go ahead to cut out your lining. For me, I use 2 yards here, and that 2 yards I cut it into 2. Then I join it together. Then hold the downside of it and hold it with 0.5 inches. Then join the middle to also make a very long strap of it. Okay, and I'll also go ahead to make a gathers. So this is it. I've gone ahead to make a gathers, then hold the downside, and this is the outcome. This is what we have after making all the gathers. Okay, this is what we have. So all you need now to get the net, then get the lining, get them, hold the both edge together this way, and these gathers you're going to gather it according to your waist measurement. Okay, you're going to make the gathers according to your waist measurement. If your waist measurement is 30, that's how you're going to make the gathers 30. So after doing that, you hold the 2 edges together this way, and you go to your machine to join the both together this way. Then join the side and be ready to fix the elastic. So this is it here. I've joined the both together, join the sides to make a circle of my waist measurement I'm working with. This is what we have. The next thing now is just to go and fix elastic band on it, and that is the final of this beautiful skirt. So this is the elastic I'm working with. For here I'm using 21 inches, I think 21 inches for my elastic. Yes, 21 inches for my elastic. Then I cut a band that we used to fold, and I can't use this black this way because I'm working with orange, so I'm going to use this material to cover this elastic. I will sew at that edge, then sew at the length, then use this to turn in this skirt. Okay, that is basically what I'm doing. And while sewing it, I'll be dragging it to ruffle the waist side. Okay, and this is what we have after everything. This is what we have. So this gown, you can sew it for your baby girl, you can also sew it for yourself and rock it with a fitted top. That's what you're going to rock this style with, a fitted top. You're not going to use a big top to rock it because the skirt is already big. All you need to rock it is a fitted top, a body hug top, then you slay the skirt on. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to follow this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video for others to benefit. And again, drop your lovely comments at the comment section. See you all in my next video. Bye.
Peace out.